What is physical damage insurance for trucks? Have you ever wondered how truck owners protect their vehicles from unexpected damage? Physical damage insurance for trucks is a key part of that protection. This type of insurance covers the truck itself, whether it is a tractor or a trailer, from various incidents that could cause damage. It typically includes two main components: collision coverage and comprehensive coverage. Collision coverage kicks in if the truck is damaged due to a collision with another vehicle or object. It also covers damages if the truck overturns. On the other hand, comprehensive coverage protects against non-collision events. This includes incidents like fire, theft, vandalism, hail, floods, windstorms, or even animal-related accidents. Together, these coverages help safeguard the truck's overall value against many risks that can happen on the road or elsewhere. For truck owners who are financing their vehicles, this insurance is especially important. It helps protect their financial investment. While it is not mandatory, it is highly recommended for commercial truck operators, such as owner-operators and motor carriers. When selecting a physical damage insurance policy, truck owners often find flexible options. Policies can offer a range of deductible levels, which is the amount the owner pays out of pocket before insurance kicks in. There are also endorsements for additional protections and supplemental coverages. One useful option is loan gap coverage. This covers the difference between the truck's actual cash value and the amount still owed on it at the time of loss. Some policies even include benefits like coverage for storage charges after a loss, reimbursement of federal excise tax on new vehicles, and specialized repair services to get the truck back on the road quickly. From a practical standpoint, having physical damage insurance helps truck operators avoid hefty out-of-pocket expenses for repairs or replacement if their vehicle is damaged or stolen. It also provides peace of mind, allowing them to focus on their business operations without worrying about unexpected costs. In essence, physical damage insurance for trucks is a comprehensive protection plan. It covers damages from collisions and other risks, ensuring truck owners can maintain their vehicles and continue their operations smoothly.